Want to crochet this heart in 5 minutes? Let's go! Start with a slip knot on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through to make 4 chains. Don't make them too tight. Now, find the very first chain you made. To make a treble crochet, yarn over twice. Insert your hook into that first chain and pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 more, and yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Make 1 more treble crochet in the same spot. Next, we will make 4 double crochets into that exact same first chain. Yarn over just once, insert your hook into the hole and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2. Repeat this 3 more times. We have finished the left side and reached the very bottom. To make the sharp pointy tip of the heart, simply chain 2. Yarn over and pull through once and yarn over and pull through again. Now we start working up the right side of the heart. We need to make 4 double crochets into that exact same center hole. Yarn over once, insert your hook, pull up a loop and pull through 2 loops twice. Do this 4 times in total. To finish the right side, we need to toe stitches. Make 2 treble crochets into the center. Remember, for a treble crochet, you must yarn over twice before inserting your hook. We are at the final step. Chain 3 to match the other side. Now insert your hook into that same center hole, yarn over and pull it all the way through your loop to make a slip stitch. Cut your yarn, leaving a small tail, and pull the end tight to fasten it off. I would love to read your comments below. This channel is dedicated to absolute beginners, and you will find many easy crochet tutorials here. I am so happy to welcome each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe.